Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to us was not heating. When I tested, I found out like the heating element here is burnt and it's going out. So I got to replace that, and on the top of this there was this safety switch. The thermostat was also burned, and the pressure stat here, look how it was rusty and broken, and it was also leaking from here and from the heating element gasket. This gasket was like it's gone out, and the machine wasn't like the base wasn't tight enough, so I got replaced take it out off the whole boiler and replace the flanges. These are the flanges look like that, one in the top here and one in the bottom, and I didn't mention that in the estimate. I'm not gonna charge on it. And also I cleaned the machine from inside. It was a good chance to clean it once like the heating element not there, and I replaced this side glass. This is also not in the estimate, but I found it like rusty. Tried to clean it, but it didn't work. This comes usually in a kit with the tune-up, but I didn't tune up this machine. I just replaced it. It was here. I put another one and testing it with pressure gauge here. So when it reaches 1.2, 1.3, it stops, tell you like it's ready. What stops that machine is this pressure stat when it reaches the right temperature, which is there now. It is there. Here is it. Yep, it's ready now. But this machine comes without the portafilter, so I'm going to test it like just to show that the machine works. Okay. And the steamer. So the machine functioning perfect now. Thank you for watching.